God bless everybody. Welcome to Prophetic Knowledge Channel. I'm your host, Prophetess Gloria. If you are new to this channel, hello. If you're a regular subscriber, welcome back. Prophetic Knowledge Channel is the place where we discuss about things of the Spirit, God prophecies, God promises, and God's blessings. Today, our topic will be what happens to the person that commits suicide. Our life on this earth realm is a gift from God. It was a moment of joy for us as our soul enters our physical body. We agreed to what our guidelines will be on this earth. We agreed to everything that we will face on this earth. We agreed on it. And this agreement is called destiny. We agreed to what we will hear, what we will learn, and what we will contribute to this earth realm. Of course, to the glory of God, not to the glory of the devil. Inasmuch as we agreed to all those guidelines, we also know that there will be ups and downs. There will be hurdles, there will be obstacles, there will be challenges to be met on the process of our accomplishing our needs, accomplishing our goal on this earth. And these challenges, if we overcome all these challenges, it will help our soul to be stronger and purer, to progress to the Hadean realm. Therefore, we made sure there are some conditions put in place for us on this earth realm that will help us to accomplish our goal. Once we are born and gain knowledge of good and evil, we tend to forget the agreements we made in the spiritual realms. We tend to break away from the agreements and everything that we have accepted that on this earth realm we will be able to accomplish. We forget and we break away. The reason why people break away from those agreements is because when they come to this earth realm, they find out that those conditions are no more in place for them to be able to accomplish their needs. For example, the condition of the family in which they are born into was not what they expected. The government policy of the country in which they are born into was not what they expected. The torment and the mental torture of the human beings in which they met on this earth realm was not what they expected. Therefore, they derailed. They derailed from the presence of God and they become frustrated. Friends, every obstacle we are facing on this earth realm is predestined. It is what we have agreed to. And if we commit suicide, we have break all the agreement of accomplishing our goal. Our soul will go into the limbo stage. The soul will go into the limbo stage to wait until the original death date before it will progress to the Hadean realm, where all souls wait for judgment. What happened to the soul when it is in limbo stage? God's plans for our soul wasn't for it to wait in limbo stage. God's plans was for it to progress to the Hadean realm. The process of waiting in the Hadean realm is a frustrating one because all the memories which the person wanted to escape from will still be with the soul. Secondly, the family which the person left behind will be in pain and sorrow. Besides, the soul cannot progress to the Hadean realm. The soul will be in limbo, and the soul will not also be able to accomplish all the goal which it came to earth to accomplish. So it is a wasted journey. That brings us to the question of, is committing suicide a solution? Committing suicide is never a solution, and it will never be a perfect solution. Our difficulties are always adjusted to our strengths. God does not give us a burden that our strength cannot carry. All we need to do is just to commit the problem in prayer. Hope upon God. During the process of challenges, we need to ask God for His grace. There is a word in the Bible that says, "Thy will be done, O Lord." We have to embark on that word. We have to draw strength from that word and comfort ourselves. The only constant thing on this earth is change. Situations changes from worst to bad and bad to good. And when the person commits suicide, the family will see that the situation changed from bad to good. And by this time, the person is already gone. The person will not be alive to witness the changes. If the person had persevered and have faith and hope in God, the person could have been alive to witness the changes for better. There are a lot of spiritual beings around us in form of energy. We can feel them. Sometimes we cannot see them, because if your third eye is not activated, you'll not be able to see them. But we can feel them. We can hear them. But it is only if you are pure, if you walk in the ways of the Lord, that is when you'll be able to hear when they speak to you. They love us. They are around us to see us succeed in this life. They are always ready to help us, to guide us, to protect us, to guide us on the right things to do in this our journey called life. So if we cut this life short due to obstacles, due to burdens, due to challenges, we will go into the limbo stage without accomplishing the goal in which we came to this earth realm to accomplish. And the spiritual beings in form of energy, they will guide you. They will speak to you on this journey called life. So friends, if you are a church group or prayer group or spiritual quest group, you feel free to contact us. We can come and give you the spiritual motivational lectures. We can give you a life coach, spiritual life coach. So remain blessed as I see you in my next video. Namaste.